Okay, what?
Okay, cold start. 62 Cadillac. Been sitting for a month.
A whole month.
Yeah.
Wow. What neglect. Yeah, it just about fits.
I know. We measured it.
Oh, you fit through here.
Get finned.
Ah!
He's getting stabbed in the gut by the fin.
Ah!
Okay, we got our battery tender on board here.
You're confident you closed the hood, huh?
Confident. Smells like cheap air freshener in here. Let's
Nothing
see.
but the best.
All right, see if we hear the choke. Maybe.
Hey, it started.
How about that?
Now what?
Now what? I don't know. Now we take it out and blow it up. No, we're gonna do this. Package shelf. Today's project.
Okay.
Was to certain poor shepherds in fields where they lay.
Luxury Christmas AM.
Fields where they lay hid in the sea.
A little slow there, huh?
A little cold.
Okay, next stop, we gotta do work, so we gotta shut it off. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. No, that was real. Ah! Did we almost drop it?
No, a hat cable. Yeah, baby. That's where the $100 bills are hiding.
That's right. Fortunately, we've been in here already, so.
Oh, no more hundreds.
No, we spent them already.
I guess you need a Phillips screwdriver for that.
I guess, and I don't have one in this bag.
Well, that's going to be a problem.
Well, that's okay. We got alternate vehicle.
All right, we're looking for the broadcast sheet.
Okay, so somebody told me that the broadcast sheet secretly exists underneath the driver's side rear carpet.
However, the carpet has been replaced.
No, the carpet is original.
Oh, all right. Okay. Well,
Carpet
maybe it
has
might be
never
there
been
then, huh?
Carpet's faded, but it ain't ever been replaced.
Okay.
The second owner told me she re-dyed the carpet once.
Re-dyed the carpet.
Yeah, you know, with the spray crap.
Oh, okay.
That's cute.
Underneath that, right?
Yeah,
Underneath the padding.
Underneath the jute, yeah. Ugh.
I don't think it's one piece. The factory comes and they just throw it in.
Alright, well, we've been misinformed.
Or it's been taken before. What's underneath this? Oh, you looked under there. And it looks like there was anything there. Usually it would make a stain.
Yeah. Just the floor.
Okay. Well, you want to look at this side too?
Yeah, well, why don't we stop tape and we're going to call a person. We verify it on this side.
Oh, look, a radio thing, huh?
Yeah. Look at this.
Wow, what's that for? That was for this.
What is it?
That grabbed onto the thing and locked it in place.
Did we transfer this to the new one?
I don't know. How's it come out of there?
Look at that.
Yeah, I guess that's how it went back in, huh? The other one's still on here.
Oh.
See?
So we just hammered on the back of the new one, I guess.
Good luck with that. You got to place them exactly in the exact
Or do
spot.
we put these here and then press them down?
Well, I guess you could do that.
Wrong place.
Why do you think they did the speaker in the wrong place?
I don't know. That's disappointing.
Is there an indentation in the thing for it like that to be closer to the end?
You can see the sun.
Well, ain't no sunshine when you're gone. Hey.
Ow!
I don't know what you're gonna do with that. What are you gonna do with that? Take it back?
You can't take it back.
Well, they did it wrong.
No.
Not your fault.
I know it's not my fault.
The speaker's in a different position. Can you move the speaker?
I don't think so.
I don't know. Let's look. No, you can't. Speaker is in the spot closest to the back. It's close to the back,
Yeah, I know.
and they got it close to the front.
Yeah.
They cut the wrong thing, but you turn it around. It's what it's supposed to be. There you go, laddie.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You see what they did?
Yeah.
Yeah, they screwed up.
They put the material on the wrong side.
Right. Or they cut it on the wrong side. Or they put the material on the wrong side. So, I don't know. You're either going to deal with it or you're going to call them up and say, hey, fix this.
Yeah, mail it back to California.
Well, I know, you know. What are you going to do?
How much overlap? How much sound do you think we get?
You'll get some sound. I don't know how muffled it's going to be. Boy, in the wrong spot.
Yeah, see.
It's like a quarter of the speaker you're only going to get, I think.
Yeah.
Unless you drill more holes.
Yeah, how do we do that?
Without damaging the other thing?
Yeah.
I don't know how you do that. I guess you don't do that. You have to live with it. You got two choices. You're either going to use this today, or you're going to call them and ask them what the hey.
So,
Yeah, if you do that,
that would be in the right
yeah,
spot.
that would be in the right
Like
spot.
that. No, not like that. Like that.
Noel, Noel. Noel, no, and you can't put extra holes because it's going to look stupid.
I know.
You either have to live with it the way it
We're
is.
just gonna live with it.
Okay. Why don't you wait and call them up and ask them what to do? Maybe they'll send you another one. Instead of taking this one back, instead of mailing it.
Oh, then let's put it in. We'll put it in and complain.
Oh, you can put it in. I wouldn't put it in and complain. I'd complain first before I put it in case they wanted it back.
This is stupid.
Yes, it is. It's incorrect. It's done sloppily. It's done stupidly. It was done on a Friday. What can I tell you?
Yeah, Friday.
Noel, oh Noel, your speaker is wrong, so I don't know what you do. Why don't we cover the old one and call it a day? La-dum.
Half.
Maybe. Not quite half. I don't know what's going to do to the sound. It might muffle it. Plus, the stupid speaker going in there. I don't know, into the freaking cardboard like that.
It's like half.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Eh.
Okay. The angels did say your speaker is really up today.
Ow! Oh well, let's trace our holes.
All right, you gonna go ahead with it?
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead.
Okay.
Take these cleats out.
I'll tell you, kick yourself in the ass, and the speaker sounds like crap. La da da dee, la da 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 dum.
I don't think it really gonna sound much different.
Okay. Trace it on the back side.
Backside, yeah, that's right.
Don't be a retard. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, finished product. As long as the thing don't start blowing up or something. That's why the vent holes are there, not just for the, what do you call it, but the air sound. Yeah, the $80 package shelf. Nice. There you go, all installed already. All except the speaker grill. It was a perfect job. Everything's set, wired, we're ready to go.
We're ready for the storm.
Right.
We're gonna go drive the Cadillac to Alaska.
Yeah.